Kilauea Volcano on the island of Hawaii has once again entered an intense eruptive phase with episode 50. From the Halemaʻumaʻu crater, lava jets reached nearly 1,000 feet, 305 meters, making it one of the most spectacular eruptions in the volcano's history. Columns of incandescent lava, volcanic ash, and hot material shot high into the atmosphere, while scientists immediately increased monitoring because the activity indicated that magma pressure beneath the surface remained extremely high. According to monitoring by the United States Geological Survey (USGS) and the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory (HVO), the episode 50 eruption began at the northern vent within the Halemaʻumaʻu crater. The ever-increasing pressure of the magma finally broke the equilibrium beneath the surface. In a short time, lava erupted with incredible force, forming a giant fire fountain that could be seen from various points around Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. The eruption not only produced incandescent lava flows, volcanic material in the form of ash, hot rocks, and lava fragments was also ejected into the atmosphere. Winds then carried the ash to the area around the summit, while volcanic glass fibers, known as Pele's hair, flew in the wind. This situation prompted authorities to warn the public not to enter the dangerous area around the crater. Surprisingly, the activity continued for almost 7 hours without interruption. During this period, the volume of ejected magma continued to increase, forming new lava flows at the crater floor. Sounds were heard intermittently, while the lava jets occasionally rose higher due to the pressure of gases from within the earth. This phenomenon indicated that the pressure beneath Kilauea remained enormous. When the eruption finally subsided, many assumed it was over. However, monitoring instruments showed a different development. GPS sensors and ground-based measuring instruments detected the volcano's surface expanding again. For volcanologists, this type of inflation is often a sign that new magma is rising to the surface. This change immediately shifted scientists' attention to the next phase. Recharging of the magma chamber can occur for a short time before the pressure is released again through a new eruption. This is why Kilauea's activity often occurs in several consecutive episodes. Each eruption is not the end of a process, but rather part of an ongoing cycle. Kilauea itself is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Unlike volcanoes that produce violent explosions, Kilauea's magma is relatively runny, allowing it to form very tall lava flows. While beautiful, these eruptions still pose a threat in the form of sulfur dioxide gas, volcanic ash, and hot material that can be hazardous to health and disrupt activities in the surrounding area. During episode 50, the USGS monitoring network worked non-stop. Dozens of seismometers recorded underground vibrations, thermal cameras observed temperature changes, while satellites and GPS systems monitored every millimeter of movement on the mountain's surface. All data was collected in real time to determine whether magma pressure was continuing to increase or begin to decrease. Attention is now focused on the possibility of episode 51. While there is no certainty when the next eruption will occur, the ground inflation following episode 50 indicates that Kilauea's magma system has not completely calmed down. As long as magma supply from deep within continues, the possibility of a new eruption remains. Therefore, intensive monitoring is being conducted around the clock. Episode 50 once again demonstrated the dynamic nature of the Earth we live on. The nearly 1,000-foot lava flow not only provided a stunning sight, but also served as a reminder that the forces of nature can change in an instant. The world now awaits the results of the next monitoring. Will Kilauea return to calm, or will episode 51 emerge with even greater force? Time and scientific data will tell.